Okay, so here we are, 17mm socket, and we're going to put that on to my lawnmower here, and as you can see, it doesn't move. Now if we take your 52-in-1 ratchet, well, with 52-in-1 spanner, let me look for 17mm, wasn't it? And 17, 15, 16, 17mm, just show you that, there we are, 17mm, and we'll put 17mm on the, there we are, and I'll move it. That's moving on the bolt. I'll take it off, show you it's 17mm, and put it back on the bolt. I'll show you it's all the way on the bolt. If I can change that angle. There we are. And if I take the 17mm socket, that I know is good. And I'll show you that 17mm. There. And I'll put that on the socket. And now if I try and turn it, I think it gets what, a fraction, 1mm, if that. But it isn't. Well, 17mm, let's do it right so I'm not cheating here. 17mm, there we are. But it isn't. Your measurements are well off.